Yeah.
Is
ready.
it running?
It's running.
Running, okay. Hello, my name is Trevor Wilson. For many years, very many years, I've worked in Africa, South America, Europe, Central Asia and the Far East as a livestock specialist, animal production and health worker. I've published many books and more than 200 publications in peer-reviewed journals. Recently, I've published 2 papers in a new journal called the International Journal of Veterinary and Animal Medicine. This is a new journal, as I say, mainly online. I have to say I've been very pleased with the process from submission, review, proof sending, correction of proofs and publishing. And they produce a nice format with colour pictures, and they are very, very helpful, and I can strongly recommend them to you if you want rapid and efficient and not too expensive publication. Good luck with your careers.